Imagine it's 5,000 years ago, and you've got a bucket of fresh milk but zero refrigerators. What did ancient people do? They turned milk into cheese. Here's the trick: they'd add a little lemon juice or even let milk sit in a warm spot until it turned tangy and thick. Then they'd strain out the liquid, press the curds together, and bam, cheese that could last for weeks. Some wrapped it in leaves or stored it in clay pots. It was like ancient magic, turning a ticking time bomb of milk into a snack that survived the hottest days. Would you try it?